Hello, this is Geoff Walker with In-Depth Studies. Today we're looking at Geoff's thoughts on New Covenant theology. We are in the book of Hebrews, chapter 4, verses 1 to 3. And we are discussing the land promise to Israel. And we do need to remember that according to Joshua chapter 11, as well as chapter 21, it is stated in no uncertain terms that the land promise of the land of Canaan was to Israel, and it was accomplished. Okay? So now, let's read the first 3 verses. Therefore, since the promise of entering his rest still stands, let us be careful that none of you be found to have fallen short of it. For we also had the good news proclaimed to us just as they did, but the message they heard was of no value to them because they did not share the faith of those who obeyed. Now, we who have believed enter that rest, just as God has said, so I declared on oath in my anger, they shall never enter my rest. Okay, now, he's referencing back the promise of the land of Canaan to Israel, which is said to be accomplished. Now he says that therefore, since the promise of entering his rest still stands, what he is referring to is that the literal land of Canaan is only a temporary picture of a future land that will not end. Of course, that's, going to the Lord, heaven and then the new heavens and new earth. That if you persevere in your faith, you will enter a land that does not end. And of course, these professed believers in Jesus who are Jewish in the book of Hebrews, they are in danger of not persevering. So the land promise was only a temporary picture of an ultimate land promise that will last forever. So if this has been helpful, check out more of Geoff's thoughts on YouTube, and there you can subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.